Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I have brought one more important and interesting lesson for you. This lesson is all about spelling and pronunciation. Before going to learn our lesson, I would like to teach something very important regarding or related to this lesson. What is that? That is long vowel sound and short vowel sound. What is long vowel sound and what is short vowel sound? Let me explain you by giving some examples. For example, if I write S-H-I-P, ship, and if I write S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So there is difference between these two words, ship, sheep, ship, sheep. So you can notice that ship has only one vowel, short vowel sound. Ship has short vowel sound, whereas sheep has long vowel sound. So you can understand that ship, here we have short vowel sound and double E gives long double E. They give long vowel sound. So ship, sheep. So you can understand that short vowel, short vowel sound, ship, sheep, long vowel sound. So what is long vowel sound? Long sound. अगर इसकी आप इस दोनों में आवाज़ को चेक करें तो आपको पता चलेगा कि शिप में यानी आवाज़ जो है बिल्कुल छोटी सी, शिप यानी शॉर्ट वॉवल साउंड आ रही है, शीप में लॉन्ग वॉवल की आवाज़ आ रही है, शीप, प्रोलॉन्ग. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, इफ़ आई राइट फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेट, MET, मेट, and if I write here meat, so again you can notice one is short vowel sound, met. Okay, short vowel sound, met, and here long vowel sound, meat, met, meat. If I write similarly, if I write for example check, 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 and cheek, if I write cheek, so there is, you can notice short vowel sound, check, cheek, check, cheek. One more example I would like to give you. If I write RED, red, again you can notice here short vowel sound, and read, READ, read. So here we have short vowel sound, red. In word red we have short vowel sound, and read we have long vowel sound. So ship, sheep, short vowel ship, long vowel sheep. Met, meat, met, short vowel sound. Meat word has long vowel sound, meat. Check, short vowel sound. Cheek, long vowel sound. Red, short vowel sound, and read, long vowel sound. So here Q, letter Q is followed by U. Letter Q is followed by U. This is one more rule for us. So we can write letter Q is followed by U. Q word के, Q letter के बाद U आता है. We are going to learn this one more rule. What is the rule? Q is followed by U. So let me give you examples. For example, if I write, 1 minute, I will write here. So number one, if I write square, SQUARE, square. So word square, you can notice here S, after S we have Q, Q after immediately Q we have U. So Q is followed by U. So after Q we have which letter? U. Okay, so almost everywhere Q, after Q we have letter U. Okay, after Q which letter will come? U. Word square we have U, you can notice here U is there after Q. Next one, if I write many words we have quick, QUICK, quick. Same thing here also you can notice. So many words I can give you, QUIET, quiet. And if I give you more examples, QUIT, quit. One more example I would like to give you, QUEEN, queen. You can notice here after Q which letter is coming after Q? U. Here also U, and U. So I can give you more examples like word question, Question. So in this words you can notice that after Q, U is there. Q, quick, U is there. Quite, quit, queen, question, all words they have U after the letter Q. After the letter Q, which letter is there? U is there. So some more examples I would like to give you. So some more examples. For example, squeeze, SQUEEZE, squeeze. So word is squeeze also you can notice after Q, U is there. Next one, if I write, for example, squeeze is there and Q, U, I and Z, quiz. So we have U immediately after Q. One more example I would like to give you. What is the example? One more example. We have many examples. One more. Quarter, QUARTER, quarter. So in word quarter, you can notice that here also Q is there. Quarter, we have squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. So squirrel also you can notice Q is there. So here, so very simple rule. What is the rule? I have brought few examples for you. So maximum words in English language, almost every word, almost all words, they follow the same rule, Q. Almost all words which start with Q, they follow this rule. What is this rule? Q is followed by U. Okay. Our next rule is we are going to learn about letter K and letter C and K. How can we use, K? If the letter K, appears, or what I can say comes at the last letter of a word, how we can write K and CK. So let us learn here. First of all, we will write one more rule. What is the one more rule? CK, C and K after a short vowel. So C and K, we have to write C and K after a short vowel. So let us learn with the help of some example. C and K, we have to letter C and K we have to write after the short vowel. So example, if they appear in the end of the word, how to write? Let us learn here with the help of some examples. Number one, LUCK, luck. So here short vowel. I'm talking about short vowel. So short vowel you can notice here, short vowel. What is a short vowel here? Easily you can understand, luck, LUCK. So short vowel U is giving here short vowel sound, luck. So luck, LUCK. So last two letters are luck because it is a short vowel. So here many examples I can give you. Luck, if I neck, NECK, neck. So you can notice here short vowel. So short vowel is there. So NECK, neck. So I can give you many examples. PICK, pick. You can notice pick also, same thing. And if I write LICK, lick, also same, because last two letters are C and K, we have to write K. If a short vowel sound, if a word gives the short vowel sound, then we have to write C and K. If the word is giving short vowel sound, so last two letters, if the C, K is there, last two letters we have to write C and K. Okay, so lick is there. And if I write LUCK, luck, I have given already. Sick, LSICK, sick, easily you can find out. Sick is there. Okay, sick, lick, pick, neck, luck. So many wick, WICK, wick also word, same thing. Last two letters, if you want to write K last letters, then before last we have to write C. Why C and K? Because it has a short vowel sound, luck, LUCK, neck, short vowel. So when short vowel sound is there and the last letter is K, then before last letter we have to add C, and before last letter C is also compulsory because of short vowel sound, luck, 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 neck, pick, and pick, lick, sick, wick, And many more words I can give you. Deck, D-E-C-N-K, deck. So here I would like to give you some more examples. B-U-C-K, buck. So here also you can notice U and C. Sorry, after U we have CK. So U is buck word producing which sound? Short vowel sound. That's the reason C and K last two letters are there. Now next one, if I write, for example, slick, S-L-I-C-K, slick also same thing, short vowel word. This vowel produces short vowel sound. That's the reason C and K. And next one, if I write here, for example, short vowel sound, check, C-H, did I write? No. So check, C-H-E-C-K, check also we have short vowel sound. This, because of short vowel sound, we have to write C and K. Because of short vowel sound, we have to write C and K. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So duck also, it has short vowel sound. Duck, short vowel sound. Because of short vowel, we have to write C and K. D-U-C-K, duck. So you can notice in all words, you can notice that these are all short vowel sounds. These words, they produce short vowel sound. Luck, neck, pick, lick, sick, wick, deck, buck, slick, check, duck, tuck. So these all words, they have short vowel sounds. Because of that, we have to write C and K, last two letters, C and K. Let's learn one more important rule of spelling and pronunciation. K after a long vowel. K after a long vowel. What does it mean? Let me explain you by giving examples. For example, if I write word week, W-E-E-K, week. So last letter is K. Why last letter is K here? Because we have here double E, means long vowel sound. If the long vowel sound is there and the word, we have to spell the word only last letter, we have to write K, not CK. CK we have to write when the word produces short vowel sound. Here we have long vowel sound. That's the reason last letter is K, not CK. So here week, we have one more week also. Week. So last letter is K. Why we have written K here? Because before last letter we have long vowel sound. Long vowel sound we have. That is the reason we have to spell K only. Not we have to write CK. We have to write only K. So we are learning here the difference between CK and K. When the word has a short vowel sound, then we have to write the spelling C and K, as we have learned just now. So C and K when the word produces short vowel sound. But when the word produces long vowel sound, we cannot write CK. We have to write only K. So here example, week. So long vowel sound. The long vowel sound is here. That's the reason K. Long vowel is here. Here also week, long vowel. If I write, for example, let me give you example, cheek. Here also we have long vowel sound. I have more examples with me. For example, seek, S-E-E-K, seek is also, we have long vowel sound here. So I can give you more examples. Leak, L-E-A-K, leak. Okay, so here leak also has, the word leak has also, a leak word also has which what I can say vowel sound? Long vowel sound. One more example, if I give you, it will be easy for you. Peak, P-E-E-K, peak. Here also we have long vowel sound, and P-E-A-K, peak also it has long vowel sound. And I can give you more examples. For example, number 8, if I write number 8, meek, M-E-E-K, meek. So last letter is K, because not CK, because long vowel. Because of long vowel, E, me. So long vowel sound is here. That is the reason long vowel is here. So that is the reason only K is, we have to spell or we have to write K only, not CK. Okay, next one, if I write, for example, one more example, Greek, G-R-E-E-K, E-G-R-E-E-K, Greek. The word Greek has also long vowel sound. That's the reason we have to write K, not CK. CK we have to write when the word produces short vowel sound. Okay, already we have learned, just now we have learned about short vowel sound and how to use C and K. Okay, at the end of word. At the end of word, how can we use CK and how can we use K? So because of long vowel sound, we have to use K. CK, short vowel, as already we have learned. Short vowel, so short vowel, S-H-O-R-T, short vowel sound is there. If a word produces short vowel sound, we have to write last CK. If the word produces long vowel sound, what we have to write? Long vowel sound. If the word produces long vowel sound, then we have to write only K, as we have example, meek, K. Greek, last letter is only K, not CK, because of long vowel sound. And I can give you some more example if you want. So speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak. Here also word speak has, word speak has long vowel sound. So it is very easy for us to learn this lesson, and we can overcome the problem of spelling mistakes, and we can learn what I can say, spelling and pronunciation lesson very easily. Now K after a consonant. So with the help of example we will learn. It will be easy for us if examples are there. So here you can notice K after a consonant. Example, I can give you many examples. I can give you. Number one, if I write M-I-L-K, milk. Milk word has K last, but before last, if you check, L is there. So L is not a vowel. L is a consonant. L is a consonant. Letter L is a consonant. So you can notice here, milk, word milk has M-I-L-K. So last letter is K, before last letter, what is that one? L is there. So K after a consonant. K after a consonant. L is a consonant and last letter is K. So here, milk, we have so many examples for silk, S-I-L-K, silk. You can notice silk, milk. You can notice hulk, H-U-L-K, hulk. I can give you many examples. Bulk, B-U-L-K, bulk. And hulk, bulk. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk, D-E-S-K. So in word desk, you can notice D-E-S. S is a consonant. S is a consonant, not a vowel. So here you can notice S also. S is a consonant. So here, if I give you few more examples, tusk, T-U-S-K. Again, you can notice S is a consonant. If I write sink, S-I-N-K, sink, N is a consonant. What is N? N letter, N is a consonant. And before K, we have consonant. K after a consonant. So after a consonant N, we have K. Next one, if I write pink, sink, P-I-N-K, pink. Word pink also, what is there? N is there. N is a consonant. After N, K is there. So K after a consonant. Next one, if I write, for example, wink, W-I-N-K, wink. So you can notice here, wink, pink, sink. These all words, they have, letter K after a consonant. After a consonant. What is a consonant here? N, N, and N. N is a consonant. And after that, we have K. So here, if I write one more example, it will be easy for us. D-R-I-N-K, drink. So here, you can notice N is there. So this one is very easy, simple rule of spelling and pronunciation. K after a consonant. K after a consonant. L is consonant, after a consonant K is there. L, K is there. B-U-L-K, bulk. H-U-L-K, hulk. What is there? L is there, consonant. Here also L. Here S. Here S, S. And here also S. Brisk, rusk, tusk, desk. and sink, pink, wink, and drink. These are the few examples which I have brought for you for learning this lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Enjoy learning.